Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Poco F1, and today I will show you how you can create folders on the home screen. So for example, I'm going to organize these icons. So we have to click, hold and then drag application for another one, just like that. As you can see, this folder was created. Right now when we click on it, we can enter. When we tap on the name, we can simply rename that folder. Click here to confirm. It will go below, so just click on the arrow to go back. As you can see, the name has changed and we want to add additional icons. Additional apps, just do the same. Click, hold, drag and then put it. You can also move that folder like any other icon for another screen. If you want to... Oh, wait a minute, let's make another time. If you want to remove this icon, just click, hold and then drag to the right upper corner. And as you can see, it's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.